Listen up, you lot. Welcome to a culinary journey that's going to take you around the world faster than a spinning salad spinner in a hurricane. Today, we're not just stuffing our faces, we're diving deep into the history of 10 iconic dishes. We're talking about the stories, the ingredients, the bloody sweat and tears that went into creating these masterpieces. Get ready to learn, you Muppets, because this is a masterclass in culinary history.
Spaghetti carbonara. Simple, right? Wrong? This dish is a bloody masterpiece, a testament to Italian ingenuity. We're talking about perfectly cooked pasta, coated in a silky sauce of eggs, cheese, and cured pork. But where did this symphony of flavor originate? Some say it was the coal miners, fueling their bodies with this hearty dish. Others claim it was a stroke of genius in a Roman trattoria. Whatever the truth, one thing's for certain. The ingredients themselves tell a story. Black pepper, brought to Italy through ancient spice routes, adds a pungent kick. Guanciale, cured pork jowl, speaks to the Italian tradition of using every part of the animal. This is history on a plate, you donkey!
Sushi. It's become synonymous with Japanese cuisine, but its origins are as deep and mysterious as the ocean itself. We're talking about meticulously prepared fish draped over perfectly seasoned rice. But listen carefully. Sushi isn't just one thing, you numpties. From the delicate flavors of Edome-style sushi in Tokyo to the vibrant and innovative creations of modern sushi chefs. This dish is a constantly evolving art form, and let's not forget the importance of the ingredients. Each region of Japan boasts its own unique seafood, seaweed, and even rice varieties, all contributing to the symphony of flavors that is sushi. It's enough to make you want to jump on a plane and taste it all for yourself.
Tacos. Just the word conjures up images of vibrant colours, bold flavours, and a fiesta in your mouth. But this isn't just some late night snack, you hear me? Tacos are a cornerstone of Mexican cuisine, a symbol of the country's rich history and cultural heritage. Think about it. Warm tortillas, made from ancient maize, cradle a symphony of fillings. Spicy meats, slow cooked to perfection, tangy salsas, fresh cilantro and onions. Each bite is an explosion of flavour. But here's the kicker, tacos are a blank canvas. From the humble street stalls of Mexico City to the Michelin-starred restaurants pushing culinary boundaries, the possibilities are endless. It's a dish that's as diverse and vibrant as the people who created it.
Croissants, those golden brown crescent-shaped pastries that practically melt in your mouth. They scream elegance, sophistication, a touch of French arrogance, and rightly so. Achieving those airy layers is a testament to the skill and precision of the baker. It's a delicate dance of flour, butter, and yeast, a process that takes days, not hours. And that signature flakiness? That comes from laminating the dough, a technique that involves repeatedly folding and rolling butter into the dough to create hundreds of delicate layers. It's a labor of love, but one bite of a perfectly baked croissant, and you'll understand why it's worth the effort.
Pad Thai. This seemingly simple noodle dish is a national treasure in Thailand, and for good reason. It's a harmonious blend of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy flavors, all intertwined with chewy rice noodles, crunchy peanuts, and fresh herbs. But Pad Thai isn't some ancient relic of the past. Its story is intertwined with Thailand's journey through the 20th century. Some say it was popularized in the 1930s by the government as a way to promote national unity and identity. Whatever its origins, Pad Thai has evolved over the years, incorporating influences from Chinese immigrants and adapting to the availability of local ingredients. It's a dish that tells a story of resilience, adaptability, and of course, bloody deliciousness.
Pizza margherita. It may seem like just another pizza, but this simple combination of dough, tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil is steeped in history and legend. Legend has it that this iconic pizza was created in 1889 in honor of Queen Margherita of Savoy. The story goes that the Queen was tired of the fancy French cuisine and craved something simple and delicious. The pizzaiolo at Pizzeria Brandy in Naples rose to the challenge, creating a pizza that represented the colors of the Italian flag: red tomatoes, white mozzarella, and green basil. True or not, the pizza margherita has become a symbol of Italian pride and culinary excellence. It's a testament to the power of simple ingredients, combined with passion and a touch of royal approval.
Biryani. This isn't just your average rice dish, you lot. This is a symphony of flavors, a culinary masterpiece that's been tantalizing taste buds for centuries. Imagine this: fragrant basmati rice, steamed to fluffy perfection, layered with succulent marinated meat, aromatic spices, and caramelized onions. It's a dish that's fit for a king, and its history is as rich and complex as its flavors. Some say biryani originated in Persia, brought to India by Mughal invaders. Others claim it was a creation of the royal kitchens of the Nizams of Hyderabad. Whatever its true origins, biryani holds a special place in the hearts and stomachs of millions. It's a dish that's celebrated at weddings, feasts, and any occasion worthy of a culinary celebration.
Peking duck. This dish is legendary, a true icon of Chinese cuisine. We're talking about crispy, lacquered skin that shatters with every bite, revealing succulent, flavorful meat beneath. But listen up, preparing Peking duck is a culinary art form, a process that takes days of meticulous preparation. The ducks are specially bred, then air-dried, roasted in a closed oven, and finally carved tableside with theatrical flair. And the taste? It's an explosion of flavor, savory, slightly sweet, with a hint of smokiness from the roasting process. Peking duck is a dish that's meant to be savored, shared, and remembered long after the last bite is gone.
Ratatouille. Don't let the name fool you. This dish is anything but rat-like. It's a celebration of fresh, seasonal vegetables, simmered to perfection in a rich tomato sauce. Originating in the Provence region of France, ratatouille was traditionally a peasant dish, a way to use up leftover vegetables from the garden. But like any good underdog story, ratatouille has risen through the ranks of the culinary world, becoming a beloved classic. Chefs around the globe have embraced this versatile dish, creating their own variations with different vegetables, herbs, and spices. It's a testament to the fact that sometimes the simplest dishes are the most delicious.
Apple pie. It's the quintessential American dessert, a symbol of comfort, warmth, and home. But the journey of the apple pie is as winding and complex as the history of America itself. Apples, not native to America, were brought over by European settlers. The concept of pie, a pastry crust filled with sweet or savoury ingredients, has roots in ancient civilizations. Over centuries, apple pie evolved from a simple peasant dish to a beloved national treasure. Today, it represents family gatherings, holiday traditions, and the sweet taste of Americana. So the next time you sink your teeth into a warm slice of apple pie, remember, you're tasting a piece of history.
Well, there you have it, you lot. A culinary trip around the world without the jet lag. We've explored the history, the culture, and the downright deliciousness of 10 iconic dishes. Remember, cooking isn't just about following recipes. It's about understanding the stories behind the food, the traditions, and the passion that goes into every bite. Now, if you enjoyed this culinary adventure, don't be a lazy sod. Hit that like button harder than I yell at a chef who overcooked the lamb. Subscribe for more culinary journeys because we're just getting started. Until next time, get back in the kitchen and make something delicious.